Hello guys, what's going on? This is Arjun and today I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 to show you guys. I have been using this phone for a while and today I will show you the unboxing of this phone. But before, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then do subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates from the channel. Firstly, I will show you the unboxing of this phone and in the next video I will share my experience with you guys. The box comes in black color with the Galaxy Z branding in the middle, and the two different shades show that this is a folding display phone. On the bottom we get the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G text written on it. As this is an Australian model, we get the MRP in dollar, but you can get this phone on Amazon for 85,000 Indian rupees. The box is very slim and on this side we get the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G logo. Here on the opposite side we get the Samsung logo. On the bottom we get the details. I have this phone in green color with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM. On the back side there are some information written, out of which one is that the travel adapter sold separately, so you need to buy 15V adapter separately. You can buy 15V adapter on Amazon for 900 rupees. So guys, without any further ado, let me show you what we get inside this box. Upon opening the box, first thing that we get is the phone itself that is wrapped in the plastic. Let me put this phone on the side, we will talk about it later in the video. Now we get this box with the Samsung logo in the middle. Upon opening this box, we get the black cable which contains the USB Type-C connector on the both sides. The length of the cable is 1 meter. After that we get some paperwork which contains the user manual and warranty info. You get 1 year warranty with this phone. On the back side of this box, we also get one SIM ejector tool. So guys, that's all we get inside the box. Now let me peel off the plastic and show you the first glimpse of the phone.